Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. But before that, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe our channel because these kind of information are shared with you absolutely free of cost. We're not charging anything. So the very first company is True IG Tech. So they are hiring for testers, manual as well as in automation. Its location is remote and they need the proficiency in testing tools like Selenium, Postman, JMeter, experience in writing, executing test cases, bug knowledge of SDLC and agile methodologies would be an advantage. So you can send your CV to this email address. Then one more company which is hiring that is based in Surat. So they are hiring for various positions: senior Flutter developer, cloud and server engineer, technical project manager, full stack mobile developer, QA tester, Node.js developer, and the location is Surat, and the email address and the contact details are also provided. The company, then one more company which is based out in Thane, Mumbai. So they are hiring manual testers and they are looking for the people who is having experience of 3 to 5 years. So you can apply by sending your CV to this email address. Karma Source Private Limited is hiring for QA testers, experience is 0 to 1 year. The email address is also provided. Then Nykaa company is hiring for experience of 3+ years. Role would be SD2. Location is Gurgaon. The email address is provided. And similarly, Acolyte Digital is also hiring with an experience of 3 to 7 years. Role would be test engineer. Location would be Gurgaon. And you can drop in your resume to this email address. EPAM company, as you know, walk-in drive is there on 7th and 8th of December. Apart from that, they are looking for someone who is having experience in automated testing in .NET, JavaScript, mobile, Python, starting from 3 to 15 years of experience. Quality Chaos Technologies is hiring for the experience of 3 to 8 years. Location would be Navi Mumbai, and you can drop your resume to this email address. Then one more job opportunity, which is remote. So that details are also provided. Then one of the Ahmedabad-based company is hiring for manual testers. It's a permanent position. Location is Ahmedabad. Work from office experience required would be 1+ years. And you can send the updated resume to this email address. Then there is one more requirement for software testers. It's based out in Madurai location. The experience required is 1 to 2 years, and the email address is provided. You need to have hands-on experience in mobile application testing, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.